So, today guys, magbubook ako ngayon ng flights. Flight 1 from Manila to Hong Kong. Departure date, November 11. Sa flight 2 naman from Hong Kong to Israel. Departure date, November 14. Sa flight 3 naman from Jordan to Hong Kong. Departure date, November 17. Sa flight 4 naman, from Hong Kong to Manila. Departure date naman, November 20. Then, sa passenger is 1. Dahil ako lang naman. Then, seat class is business class. Yan, done. Then, search. Dito naman, mamimili ako ng airlines na sasakyan ko. From Manila to Hong Kong, itong Philippine Airlines, nasa 27,000 siya. Ayan. Then, next naman, Hong Kong to Israel. Itong airlines na to, nasa 309,000 siya. Ay ang unang airlines. Then next naman, Jordan to Hong Kong. Itong Emirates Airline. Ayan, nasa 138,000 siya. Then last naman is from Hong Kong to Manila. Itong Philippine Airlines. Nasa 44,000 siya. Ayan, bali ang kabuang babayaran ko ay 519,000. Continue. Name requirements to transit. Ayan guys, yan yung mga binook kong flight. Passenger is 1. Dahil ako lang naman. Dito naman sa contact details, nilagay ko yung pangalan ko dyan, pati contact number ko, tapos email ko din. Dito naman, magbubook ako ng hotel. Hotels near me dito sa Hong Kong. Start date, November 11 to November 19. 1 room and 1 adult. Then search. So, ayan, pindutin natin yung filter. Tapos, ang piliin natin ay 5-star hotel. So, ayan na. Scroll down. Mga 5-star hotel na yan. Pili tayo. Ayan. Dalangham, Hong Kong. Fill in details, Dalangham, Hong Kong. Check-in Monday, November 11, 2024. Then check-out is Tuesday, November 19, 2024.